Jalen, why do you tell Abby a joke?
Abby, why did the chicken go on the Abby, why did the chicken go on the apple? Another chicken on apple. Wait, Abby.
What about the plane into Oregon?
Why did the plane go to Oregon? The plane go to Oregon. Abby, why did Knock he said owl, owl, who? He said hoo.
That's a good one. You love your sister?
Abby's the best, go get the best. Abby's the best, go get the best.
Nice. Nice.